Hey everyone, the OnexPlayer X1 Ryzen Edition is a new version of the company's gaming tablet, or PC X1. This version, which starts at around $952, is reasonably priced and comes with a Ryzen 7 8840U processor. When the X1 was first released this year, it had Intel Core Ultra processors. Other than the processors, the X1 Ryzen Edition's specifications are the same as those of its predecessor, with a smooth refresh rate of 120 Hz and a sizable 10.95-inch 5K display. Gamers can enjoy tear-free gameplay. The display also offers a bright 540 nits peak brightness and a 16:10 aspect ratio. To further enhance the viewing experience, it supports DC dimming technology, providing flicker-free visuals. The OnexPlayer X1 Ryzen Edition comes with a detachable controller featuring ergonomic grips and customizable buttons, transforming the device into a handheld gaming console similar to the Nintendo Switch. It also includes a magnetic detachable backlit keyboard for productivity tasks. Under the hood, the X1 Ryzen Edition is powered by the Ryzen 7 8840U processor, paired with LPDDR5X memory, available in either 32 or 64 gigs configurations. Storage options include 4M 22280 SSDs with capacities ranging from 1 to 4 terabytes, providing ample space for games and applications. The device features Harman-certified dual speakers with a high-performance full-range speaker unit for rich and immersive sound. For connectivity, it offers dual USB 4.0 ports, a TF card slot, a USB-A 3.2 port, 2 USB-C 4.0 ports, a 3.5mm headphone jack, and an Oculink interface for connecting to external graphics docks. The OnexPlayer X1 Ryzen Edition is equipped with a sizable 16890 mAh battery, delivering up to 169 minutes of gameplay in Genshin Impact, 8 hours of office work, or 11 hours of video playback on a single charge. The included 100 watts gallium nitride charger ensures quick recharging, minimizing downtime. The OnexPlayer X1 Ryzen Edition is available in 3 storage configurations, all starting at competitive prices. 32 gigs of RAM and 1 terabyte of storage are included in the cheapest model, which costs about $952. For individuals in need of additional storage, the 2 terabytes model costs around $1,022. At about $1,325, the top-tier model has an amazing 4 terabytes of storage and 64 gigs of RAM. The OnexPlayer X1 Ryzen Edition has options to meet your demands, whether you're looking for a high-capacity gaming powerhouse or a reliable entry-level device. These varied configurations give flexibility for different user needs. Thanks for watching. I hope you found it helpful. Have a nice day, and God bless you.